This is the left Epley maneuver to treat left BPPV. First, you're going to start with a pillow behind your back so that when you lie down, your head rests on the bed. You're going to sit up nice and tall, tuck your chin down towards your chest, and hold this position for 30 seconds. Next, you're going to rotate your head about 45 degrees to the left, look up at the ceiling, and lie back so that your head rests on the bed. Your chin is going to stay facing the ceiling. Hold this position until your dizziness goes away. Once the dizziness goes away, you're going to wait an additional 30 to 60 seconds. Then you're going to turn your head to the right, keeping your chin up toward the ceiling. Rotate your head about 45 degrees. You're going to bend your knees and roll all the way onto your right side. Now you're going to turn your head so your nose points toward the table. Again, you're going to wait for the dizziness to go away. You're going to wait an additional 30 to 60 seconds after the dizziness is gone. Keeping your chin tucked towards your chest, you're going to swing your legs over the edge of the mat and then come sit up. Chin stays down. Again, wait for the dizziness to go away, and then you can look straight ahead. You will need to perform this roll at least 2 to 3 times or until the dizziness subsides.